Let's put it this way. Yung in order ko,
Yes.
yung in order ko, ubus na. So I have to reorder.
So
That's how dami the request of equipment from LGUs, from congressmen, from senators. So madami na.
Okay. So good thing the budget of the PSC is still, kumbaga, on track pa for this year 2024, Chairman?
Yes.
Very much.
Yes po.
So thank you. Okay, Joey Villar, Philippine Star.
Chairman, I have two quick questions. The first is, kailan po completion ng Senate Story building na gagawin po ng PSC?
By the end of my term, siguro, they told me maybe 1.5 to 2 years, so I'll make tutok to actually push it.
So sir, bali 7 floors plus meron sa taas. Parang meron
So the 6th and 7th floors will be the Pegang Silak and the boxing. So 5 down will be all dormitories.
You mentioned na meron ano sa taas.
The roof deck will be for they can hang out and then yung labada ng mga attendant.
The other question I have in mind, sir, you mentioned the 23 million to be given to the 15 and plus Olympic-bound athletes. That is excluding the incentive that they will receive should they medal.
Yes, but this is just for additional funding to help them win in the Olympics, in the focus. So this is given by Senator Risa Hontiveros, and then you also have Senator Bongo, and you also have Senator Pia. Other senators will actually plugging in and giving to these athletes who qualify.
So parang 23 million in all po yun. So ibig sabihin, win
No,
or
this is
lose.
separate. This is just Risa, 23 million.
So win or lose po, they will divide this 23 million.
Additional funding.
Thank you.
Chairman, 23 million, including that's the one from the proceeds of the golf.
Yes.
Okay.
Plus pa yun sa golf.
Individual,
I'm looking at
atleta
1.5 to 2 million.
Okay, so that's nice. Ano? Parang pabaon ito sa kanila. Can we give it
May
this?
raffle din sa golf. May PAL give 4 flights yata, and then we also have accessories to give out and yung mga washing machine mga ganun to give out. Alright?
Ibibigay natin to sa mga Olympians before they depart for Paris. Parang some sort of a pabaon.
That is the plan po.
Okay, Toredo.
Good morning, Chairman. Yung 7th floor po ba, mayroong elevator?
Yes po, may elevator.
7 floors.
Mapapagod kasi.
Kailangan.
Chairman, tatanong ko lang po is, any update po dun sa velodrome natin sa Quezon City? Kasi may nagsabi po sa akin, Chairman, na gagawin na raw pong football yun ng Quezon City.
With the velodrome, there's still, we actually have to talk to Quezon City kasi I know Sir Bumble wants to actually transfer it to Tagaytay, which actually makes sense. He has the facilities and the lugar madami, so he can actually put a velodrome. Pero we just have to change the law na in Congress. So I'm working with Quezon Mayor in Quezon City. And hopefully, kasi if you look at the velodrome, sira-sira na lang. Okay? So it makes sense to actually, if they're interested in putting football, then we just move it. And if we move it outside